What if your lead magnet didn't just collect emails, but actually made people remember you, trust you, and keep coming back for more? If you're tired of being invisible in a crowded inbox, pay attention. In the next few minutes, I'll break down a 7-step lead magnet funnel framework you should use right now to stay top of mind and turn cold leads into warm, engaged customers. So let's start from the very basics. Step 1 is the foundation. You need an opt-in form. Keep your opt-in page cleaner than a surgery room. Don't ask for their phone number, their last name, or their cat's birthday. Just the email. Remember, the goal here isn't to impress anyone. It's to deliver a quick win. That's why checklists, templates, swap files, or short guide outperform long PDFs. They're fast to consume and easy to apply. And the logic is simple. Quick win builds trust. And trust leads to memorability. Now, once you have that lead, step 2 is where most people lose momentum. Your very first email shouldn't be a sales pitch. It should be a helping hand. Deliver the lead magnet immediately and don't stop there. Add a short welcome message, a bonus tip, or one extra insight they weren't expecting. This is the exact moment people decide whether to hit unsubscribe or keep paying attention to you. So make it count. After having a great start, step 3 is all about staying relevant. And the best way to do that is a lead nurturing sequence. So send a short sequence of emails that expands on the problem and shares practical tips. You're building authority through clarity, not hype. Every email should answer one simple question. Why should this person keep paying attention to you? Do it right, and you have their eyes on the next update. By now, you've already done a good job of keeping the momentum alive. It's time for a reality check. For that, what could be better than an automated feedback? That's our step number 4. Ask them about their experience. This tells you 2 things: what's working and who's actually engaged. People who reply, keep them close. It shows they're truly engaged. People who don't, you can plan a different approach for them. This is how you stop guessing and start segmenting intelligently. Once you have those happy reviews, it's time to grow. And you know what? More than 90% of people trust word of mouth than ads. Step 5 is leveraging that force. One of the easiest ways to do this is by offering a simple incentive, like a discount or coupon that your customers can share. That one step turns buyers into promoters. That's not all. By automating the process, you can even turn it into a self-growing loop. When someone new signs up through them, they enter the funnel, and the whole process starts all over again. If you like this idea, you're going to love the next one. The next step of our lead magnet funnel is smart recommendation. Let's say you're selling electronics and gadgets. If someone buys a charger, suggest a power bank. Someone buys headphones, you recommend a case. It sounds simple, but this is the secret to boosting your revenue through cross-selling and upselling. The best part? You don't do this manually. You use automation. This is the exact formula the biggest businesses in the world use to scale. Create the automation once, and it runs on autopilot based on your customer's action automatically. With that, we have reached the last step of our lead magnet funnel. But before you get to that, let me ask a question. By now, you might be wondering, how do I manage all of this without losing my mind? Or what if you could manage all of this? Opt-ins, emails, automation, tracking, using a single tool with full data control. That's where Fluent CRM comes in. You can easily create an opt-in form. From the beginning, you can track your customer's history from their CRM profile. On top of that, you can easily create an email sequence, run regular campaigns, or create recurring campaigns to send newsletters or exciting updates from your end. For me, the real win is automation. The built-in triggers and personalization options make it a go-to pick whether you're a beginner or a total pro. Well, with that tip, let's move on to our final step. All right, let's say you have implemented all 6 steps we mentioned in the beginning. How do you make sure you're on the right track? That's what our final step is all about, the performance monitoring. Your lead magnet funnel should be reviewed constantly. You review what's working, tweak what's not, and keep it moving. Track your growth, watch engagement, and pay attention to unsubscribes. When you know what's working and what's not, improving your funnel becomes easy. These are the 7 steps you need to build a funnel that doesn't just engage, it grows. Don't guess anymore. If you don't want to let your leads forget you, it's the time. The guideline, the tool, and the resources are all there. Take control of your leads today, apply the steps, and to simplify the full process, grab Fluent CRM now. And if you want more tips to grow your audience, subscribe to WPManageNinja so you never miss an update.